Hello students. So chapter number 16, Wolf's Cub. We have completed till chapter number 1, page number 110. So let's start from the fourth paragraph. The tigers roared, filled the cave with thunder. Mother Wolf shook herself clear to the cubs and sprang forward. Her eyes, like two green moons in the darkness, faced the blazing eyes of Sher Khan. So her eyes like two green moons means the mother wolf was boldly there to protect the man's cub, and with two green moons eyes means जो उसकी आंखें हैं मदर वुल्फ की वो चमक रही थी. In the darkness face the blazing eyes of शेर खान. Blazing eyes means शेर खान की आंखों में वो ललक था. For what? For the man's cub. Okay. And it is I, Raksha, who answers. Raksha. Who was Raksha? Raksha was the name of the mother wolf. Okay. The man's cub is mine, and the mother wolf, that is Raksha, she said that man's cub, that is the little boy, is ours. वो हमारा है. He will not be killed. उसे हम मरने नहीं देंगे. He will live to run with the pack and to hunt with the pack, and in the end, look you, frog eater, fish killer, he will hunt you. Not get away, lamb-beast. Now get away, lamb-beast. The mother wolf, she came very boldly and she said that the man's cub is ours. वो हमारा है, is mine. And जब ये जो लिटिल बॉय है, जो मैन का जो बच्चा है, when it will grow up, जब वो बड़ा होगा और तो you means शेर खान, तुम देखना तुम क्या हो, तुम्हारा लिटिल कैटल हंटर, राइट, लाइक द शेर खान फ्रॉग ईटर, फिश किलर, छोटे छोटे जानवरों को जो तुम मारते हो. ही विल हंट यू, एंड द लिटिल बॉय जब वो बड़ा होगा तो वो तुम्हें ही मार डालेगा. नाउ गेट अवे लैम्बेस्ट मीन्स यहाँ से दफा हो जाओ, निकल जाओ. लैम्बेस्ट मीन्स लिम्ब, लैम्ब मीन्स लिम्ब, लिम्स मीन्स शेर खान वॉज लैम्ब, मतलब कि उसकी जो एक पैर है वो जल गई थी. राइट, इन द वुड कटर्स कैंप फायर. फादर वुल्फ लुक्ड ऑन अमेज्ड, एंड फादर वुल्फ रक्षा को देखकर बहुत ही शॉक्ड हो गया, सरप्राइज हो गया, अमेज्ड हो गया. शेर खान might have faced father wolf, but he could not stand up against mother wolf. Sher Khan might have faced father wolf. Okay, Sher Khan might have faced father wolf. मतलब कि father wolf was not so scared. Sher Khan was not so scared or was standing so fiercely against father wolf, but it could not stand up against mother wolf. But when mother wolf was speaking, Sher Khan was quite scared. He knew that she could easily attack him from inside the narrow cave. Sher Khan जानता था कि mother wolf अभी बहुत ही गुस्से में थी और वो उस पर अटैक कर सकती थी. So he backed out of the cave, mouth growling, और वो वहाँ से धीरे से पीछे निकल गया. वो शेर खान. And when he got out, he shouted, और वो बाहर से चिल्लाने लगा, दहाड़ने लगा. Each dog barks in on yard, told that each dog barks in his own yard. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि जब तक तुम केव में हो, अपने इलाके में हो, तब तक तुम जो बोलना है वो बोल सकते हो. But the time will come when you will come out of the cave, and then I will see you. We will see what your pack will say to rising of man's cub. The cub is mine, and he will come to my teeth in the end. Oh, push-tail thieves! And in this way, Sher Khan backed off. Sher Khan backed off by saying that one day the man's cub will be mine, and I will take him from you all. Father Wolf said to mother gravely. Gravely means in a serious and sad way. Father Wolf was now gently speaking to mother wolf. Sher Khan speak this much truth. The cub must be shown to the pack. Will you still give him? पर फादर वुल्फ ने क्या कहा कि शेर खान जो कह रहा है वो सही कह रहा है. हम कब तक इसे छुपा के रखेंगे? हमें इसे अपने ग्रुप में, द पैक ऑफ वोल्व्स, द ग्रुप ऑफ वोल्व्स के बीच में इसे लाना चाहिए, इसे टू द लिटिल बॉय, एंड वी मस्ट शो हिम, गिव हिम मदर गैप्स. Gasp means that is in surprise or in a shock mode, and short intake of breath in this way. Okay, and give him mother gasped. He came naked by night, alone and very hungry, yet he was not afraid. Look, he has pushed one of my babies to one side already. Keep him, surely I will keep him. Lie still, little frog. Oh, you Mowgli, I will call you Mowgli the frog. The time will come when you will hunt Shere Khan as he was hunted, as he has hunted you. Keep him, mother gasped. Means mother told to keep the baby, that is the man's cub. He came naked. वो रात में अकेले और naked था और बहुत ही hungry था, और he was not afraid, और वो इतना bold है that he has pushed one of my babes to one side already. One of my babes means the little young ones of the cub. तो wolf का जो एक बच्चा था उसने already उसे किनारे कर दिया. Why? Because the child was very brave, courageous. He was not afraid of anything or about the animals there. Keep him, surely I will keep him. Keep him means who asked? Father wolf. Father wolf ने कहा क्या हमें इसे रखना चाहिए? तो mother wolf ने reply किया, yes, I will keep him. Lie still, little frog. Oh, you Mowgli. And Raksha named. Raksha means the mother wolf named the little boy the name as Mowgli. उसने उस बच्चे का क्या नाम रखा? Mowgli. I will call you Mowgli the frog. Mowgli the frog. The time will come when you will hunt Shere Khan. एक टाइम ऐसा आएगा जब तुम शेर खान को, means the tiger, शेर खान, उसे तुम हंट करोगे. As he has hunted you, जैसे वो तुम्हें मारने आया था, तुम एक दिन उसे जरूर हंट करोगे. Mowgli grew up with the cubs, though they were grown wolves almost before he was a child. Means you know that animals they grew faster. So Mowgli grew up with the cubs. और Mowgli जो है उन छोटे छोटे जो cubs थे, wolves के बच्चे थे, उनके बीच में वो धीरे धीरे बड़ा होने लगा. And the wolves वो बहुत ही जल्दी बड़े हो गए because they were the animals, and Mowgli was still a little boy. Okay, but he was able to walk. He was able to climb the branches. And Father Wolf taught him the meaning of things in the jungle. And Father Wolf ने उसने जंगल के बारे में, वहाँ पे रहने के बारे में उसने सिखाया. Even every rustle in the grass. Okay, here the rustle means sound of leaves running. Means वहाँ जो जंगल में जो आवाजें आती हैं उसके बारे में उसे बताया. Every breath of the warm night air. जो भी वहाँ पे हल्की सी भी जो भी आवाज आए उसके बारे में उसे नॉलेज दिया है. Every note of the owls above his head. Note here means a musical sound. The owls making sound, why they are making sounds, उसके बारे में मोगली को बताया. And every splash of every little fish jumping into a pool. Splash means sprinkling, means छप छप करके जो मछलियाँ कूदती थी तालाब में, उसके बारे में उसको बताया. क्यों वो तड़पती हैं या क्यों वो छपक कर उछलती हैं, उसका रीज़न क्या है, उसके बारे में बताया. ओके, एंड when he was not learning, he sat out in the sun and slept and ate and went to sleep again. And when he was not learning, he sat out in the sun and slept. That Father Wolf was working really hard to teach Mowgli how to live in that environment, that is in the jungle. When he felt dirty or hot, he swam in the forest pools. Means Mowgli जब उसे महसूस होता था कि बहुत गर्मी लग रही है या वो अपने आप को गंदा महसूस करता था, तो वो क्या करते थे? swam in the past tense of swim in the forest pools. और जो forest में जो छोटे छोटे pools थे उसमें वो jump करके नहाता था. He would fling himself through the branches holding like an ape. Ape is, you know, the animal, just like the chimpanzees. So Mowgli learned how to climb the branches. इस branch से उस branch पे कैसे जाना है मोगली ने वहाँ learn किया. And he would go down the hillside into the cultivated lands by night and look curiously at the villagers in their huts. और वो वहाँ के हिल साइड्स पे जाता था जहाँ विलेजर्स थे, उन्होंने अपना वहाँ पे खेती कर रखा था और वो उन विलेजर्स के हट्स को, उनके घर को वहाँ से देखा करता था. He did not trust man because they laid traps for the beast. और वो इंसानों पे बिलीव नहीं करता था. Why? Because वो जो इंसान थे वो एनिमल्स के लिए वहाँ जाल बिछाते थे. So Mowgli did not trust human beings, जबकि वो खुद ही एक human being था. So Mowgli led a wonderful life in the jungle, and in this way Mowgli was able to adjust in that environment, and he was very happily living in that jungle with the wolves family and all the animals there. So here the story ends. This is about Mowgli, that is, and about the wolf, that is the wolf's cub. So this story ends here. Thank you, students.